All right, guys, welcome back. So, a couple more things done today. I went ahead and it might be hard to see, but there is, I glued in the bracket for the multiplex. This is just a plug for the light that takes it up to the front mount. So this is where the wings, when you slide them on, it plugs in here, and then of course this is for the actual aileron. And then I went ahead and it was bugging me, so I fixed this. So if you remember from the last video, this flap, oh, hello, if you're not careful, it will extend over center. There we go. All right, so this flap wouldn't go all the way down and meet, like follow the actual trailing edge like that one was, and it was because it was hitting early. So what I did was I took these bolts out, and I just essentially drilled a bigger hole on the fuselage hinge side. I should have probably done it. I started out doing it on this side because I was like, well, if I screw it up, it's a lot easier to replace these than these. But it just wasn't working right. It added slop. So what I did is I had these brass inserts that are perfect size for a 3mm bolt. So I just up drilled, and I kind of made sure that I got this in position, and I made the hole match where it needed to be in the up position, which you can kind of see there now. It's pretty good. It's not perfect, but that's as good as you're going to get it, and it matches the other side. So I glued in those brass inserts, and it works fine. It's perfect now. So happy with that. So with that being said, it is now time to do the fun stuff. I'm actually going to put that on and kind of start doing some things. So I need to flip this bad boy over. Gear's probably going to plop down, so let me kind of go ahead and there we go. So it's down. And then this will just sit right here. There's 4 bolts that sit on. This thing was super light before I put the motor in. Now it's kind of got some weight to it. Bam. Perfecto. Sits perfect too. Like I said, the bolts will be here in the front and back. And I'm going to go ahead and put those in just so you'll see. So you got one here, and then of course the 2 up front. And got about 1.5 inches clearance. Oops, sorry guys. About 1.5 inches clearance between the motor, bottom of the motor, and the top of the wing. And yeah, so this is kind of why I bought this one. Shoot, I have to pause this, and I gotta answer this phone call I'm getting. So I'm gonna pause this, and I'll pick up on the next video. Sorry guys.